Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new lesson, boxes and sketches. Children, all of you have seen boxes, isn't it? You have pencil box, tiffin box, sweet box, and many other types of boxes. These boxes come in various shapes and sizes. So in this lesson, we are going to first study about boxes. Now children, let me show you something. Can you see this? If I tell you this is a box, will you accept that this is a box? Now let us see if this is a box or not. What I will do, I will fold it along the lines. So let us fold it along the lines. Okay, the lines are drawn, and what you have to do, you have to fold these. Fold the box along the lines. Now you see children, what have you got? You have got a box. Okay, so now you see children, this becomes a box, and this box has length, breadth and height. So what is the length? This part is the length. Okay, this part is the breadth, right? And this part is the height. That means a box has length, breadth and height. That means it is a three-dimensional shape. Okay, now if I open this one, the three-dimensional thing has become a two-dimensional thing. Can you see? Now it has a length, okay, and it has a breadth, but it does not have a height. So this has become a two-dimensional thing. A box is three-dimensional, but this shape that you are getting is two-dimensional. This shape, children, is known as the net of a box. Okay? Now you see children, a net is two-dimensional, whereas a box is three-dimensional. So when you open a box, the shape that you get is called a net. Okay, now I will show you some more nets. See children, here there is one more net. Okay, there are some lines. Now this is a net, and if I fold this one along the lines, let us see what happens. Okay, so I will fold this along the lines like this. Can you see? What have we got? We have again got a box. Okay, and this is an open box. Why is it an open box? Because it does not have a covering. It does not have a covering. Is it clear? So this is an open box, and when I open this one, the shape that you get is called the net of a box. A net is two-dimensional, whereas a box is three-dimensional. Is it okay? Now see children, I will show you two different types of boxes. Can you see now? Both these boxes we have just seen. Can you tell me the difference between them? Yes, this box, children, has rectangular faces. Can you see? The faces are rectangular. Whereas in this one, all the faces are squares. That means when you fold this one, you will get a cuboid. When you fold this one, you will get a cube. Okay? A cuboid has rectangular faces and a cube has square faces. Is it okay? So now you see children, this one is a closed cuboid. So how many faces does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is a closed cuboid. When you close it, you will get this type of box. See, this is a closed cuboid. Alright, now let us come to some more shapes. Now let us see this one children. From the picture itself, you can see that all the faces are squares. That means you are going to have a cubical box. The box is going to be a cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 faces. That means if there are 6 faces, it has to be a closed cube. So what you have to do, along these lines, in your book they are shown as dotted lines, okay? From where you have to fold, they are shown as dotted lines. So you have to fold along the dotted lines very carefully, like this, and then see whether you are able to make a box. So this comes like this, this will go like this, okay? And you can have many different types of nets. Can you see? A box is made. So what type of box is this? This is a closed cube, okay? So this is a cube, it has length, breadth and height, but the length, breadth and height are the same in a cube, okay, because the faces are squares. Now if you open this one, what you get is the net, okay? A net is 2-dimensional, whereas a box is 3-dimensional. You can have many different types of nets, children. This is a net, okay? Just see how many faces it has, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That means it is going to be an open cube, okay? So you can make many types of boxes like this. The same type of boxes can be made with different types of nets. You can have a large number of nets like this. See, here also I have a small net, okay? Let us first count the number of faces, and then we will see whether it can form a box or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 faces in this one. So you can guess that this will not form a box. Let us see whether it will form a box, okay? You see, I will not be able to form a box. Can you see? One face has become extra. Can you see? So this net will not form a cube. So this net will not form a box. It will not form a box, okay? So this is a wrong net. Let us see if we can have some more other nets. Will this form a box? What you have to do, you will have to fold and see. Let us see whether this is going to be a box. Yes, it will become a box. And what type of box will it be? It is going to be an open box, okay? This is an open cubical box. Now let us, children, see one more net. Will this form a box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us see, okay? You can guess only. What you have to do, you will have to fold it very nicely along the lines and then see whether you can create a box. So I have folded it, and let us see if we can get a box. Can you get a box? No, because both the sides are open. See, this side is also open and this side is also open. Can you see? So this is not going to be a box. You can have other shapes of boxes also, children. You see, here there is a curved face, a semicircle. So you can fold this one like this, and you can just cover like this, okay? Then also you will have a box, just like the dustbin you have in your class, okay? That is also a box, okay? A cylindrical type of box you can make like this also. So I think, children, box is clear. What are boxes and what are nets? Nets are 2-dimensional shapes of boxes, whereas boxes are 3-dimensional. They have length, breadth and height, okay? Thank you.